Hashtag how to run for pole mark.
Lecture 3, February 9. An Orthodox Greek Philosophy. So, what distinguishes us from others other than our unique Orthodox Greek philosophy where our ethics leads us for over a century to believe our ontological foundation is both right and good? As we are all only individuals who gravitate towards what we feel is better for our increased prosperity, we feel the unity in the bond is that for us. Orthodox is a Greek word meaning right or straight judgment where that is all we have been afforded as choose what is right for us. There are an innumerable amount of fraternities in the world, less for those Greek, however still too numerous to count. Some say they were destined to be Greek, while we prefer those who say they were destined to be a Kappa as choosing so should be a foregone conclusion. No one prefers second or third place where neither should or do we encourage those initially attracted to another order upon rejection welcoming them with open arms as if they would ever abandon the zeal they would have had with us were we their first choice. Do any of us not remember our first loves, whether or not they loved us back? Well, our Greek fraternity may be unique in this but we aren't looking for those rejected from others, because this is not an either/or issue as it is more of a lifelong commitment. The candidate's decision to join is subject to the fraternity's option to accept where it is not incumbent on the brotherhood to accept every qualified applicant. There are benefits of association which attract men interested in Kappa to our fold where with their verbal pledge comes a solemn commitment and through our authorized Orthodox training practice is reflected on members as our objectives shine brightening the world around us. Seldom are recognized for imperfections unless through style where the benefits of association attract men interested in Kappa. With perfection and excellence being relative terms the glass ceilings to which we all strive in competition with ourselves satisfied at the end of the day that our best was at least in our eyes superior to others renders others amazed at our performance. But this performance is no act but a culture, however small or large, one may grasp with his order understanding. We are a fraternity and are concerned about how those interested in Kappa perceive us as we would hate for bad habits of one or some to lead those newly initiated to say, well, we saw him doing it, and he is a Kappa. But our fraternity is not only interesting to young men as women as well find our presentation which combines perfection and style attractive as well. As discussed previously the psi which resembles the Indiana University logo also may be more representative of Poseidon's trident. As Poseidon's name is often translated to mean husband, we couldn't think of our brotherhood without those who silhouette us. As some brothers wouldn't know how to prepare a meal, if they were on the burning sands, and we try to raise our daughters oriented as closely as possible to the bond, we wish on them a Greek life under only a Kappa man if at all possible. We also reserve that special category for the women that love and destiny has decreed us to marry. So, with initiation and marriage being the only avenues for men and women respectively to join the fraternity the doors are open but heavily guarded. We are not heavily guarding a building made with man's hands but a structure in the mind where we collectively pledge a solemn commitment to shield the fraternity where in doing so we as well defend ourselves. Just as if anyone ever heard something negative about their parents, who wouldn't be the first to deny what was said, if whether or not what was said was true. As every day we wake we gravitate towards positive energy and are repelled by its opposite our solemn promise we made to ourselves won't allow us to remain silent when we believe in alternate reality. This Orthodox Greek philosophy where we pledge our support is not only verbal to evaluating brothers and the outside world but a solemn promise we make to ourselves. They say we don't pray for the Lord's benefit but our own which is likewise with our pledge. We aren't good brothers to benefit the fraternity but ourselves, because the better we are individually is the more value we add to the brotherhood. This philosophy is more of an orthodox belief that we know we are right and good as training us for leadership to where in practice is reflexive in our smile. Sure, other people think they are right too, and that's fine. We are not trying to change anyone's mind. We are just saying what we think is right for us. Greeks of other organizations shouldn't infringe on our boundaries with arguments of why they think they are somehow superior, because of either economic magnitude, number of members, interested candidates, or any other arbitrary reason that sounds good but doesn't really matter. Though impressive, we want to be, but don't try excessively unless absolutely necessary or we have the extra cash to spare, but never large purchases without a unanimous agreement, if 3, but only a 2/3 majority, if 6 board members. But seriously, we define the fraternity as it is changing with every new cluster initiation. This orthodox belief that training for leadership will subsequently train others to lead we are all polemarches of our respective schools, in our respective years of activity and to those whose influential or only representative of the fraternity happens to one of us. Though pole marches are democratically elected in our bond, representing the fraternity our actions may affect the pole march negatively. There are benefits of association attracting men interested in Kappa and women too but as verbal commitments are said first from the heart our orthodox training program introducing the pole march is as close as many get to the bond. This is a small oligarchy if not now soon, because there is no way to bring in enough brothers to meet the demand for Kappa men. Remaining humble, complimented for our style, trying not to be too bashful, we warmly smile. We smile because in doing so we prove, at least to ourselves, that we are right and good and the founder's decision, so long ago benefits us now. The essence of our belief is the accomplishment of 10 men to organize. We organized with 17 to cross the burning sands due to them.